y'all think about it?
Yo, man, this dude. Him?
No. No.
Yo.
No.
Wait.
No.
Yo.
No. Smooth.
Man, that man wouldn't look at the water. He was looking through his camera the whole time. He wouldn't look nowhere else.
So we left the car show. Right now we're about to get on the helicopter. Sam is scared. Like always.
So we're about to have some good content for you guys. Some good content. I got Slime Pen, we got Red Out Rock, got Pushback, got Nene. The whole gang, whole family.
We had to leave that car show.
Man, we had to leave the car show.
That was whack as hell.
Anyway, make sure y'all keep liking this video. Make sure y'all.
Thank you.
Everybody's first person. Yep. Okay. You can go. We're just figuring things out.
Yep.
Yeah. So, 3 people max per chopper, helicopter, whatever you want to call them, and 2 minimum. So. Keep your head up, Smooth. Be alright.
How you feeling?
You know, man, never been on a helicopter before.
The first time?
First time for this, yeah. But I like control heights, so this is cool.
Let's see.
I can do this.
Got the guys up there. think it was Rod and Smooth hit me first time. We're gonna see what they thought about it. I done been before. What did y'all think about it?
Yo, man, this dude. Him?
No, no,
Yo.
no,
Yo.
no,
Yo.
no, Smooth.
Man, that man wouldn't look at the water. He was looking through his camera the whole time. He
No.
wouldn't look nowhere else.
You see my comment on live?
I see you trying to clickbait. Hey, you gotta, it's a method. You gotta set them up for that. Then when they see the thumbnail, they gonna be like, yo, I wanna see what he really was doing. You get him about.
Where did he go?
Who?
Where's Rod now?
Where is he?
Yeah.
Where he go? We back on the ground now, but you know, a minute ago we was over that.
We went to Dubai real quick.
We went to Dubai.
What you think about it?
I like it.
It ain't bad.
Like I said, we definitely need to do it again with like a whole group of us because it was definitely fun.
We need to get a bigger plane and do it with a whole group.
Come to me for your shirts.
No, you good. I was making sure it was good.
No, come to me for your shirts. Oh, shit. Oh.
Yeah, I make shirts and stuff.
She like I made my hoodie.
I'ma actually hit both of y'all up. I need something too.
What?
I'ma hit both of y'all up.
Yeah, I make mine.
Hey man, so you got the game with me. Hey, so what you think about the plane ride? Well, the helicopter ride? Little baby. I forgot she be flying to Dubai, Campbell Soup. She got her own private jet with Campbell Soup and everything. So
I'm endorsed.
oh, she's endorsed now. You just gotta be endorsed by Dodge now?
Yeah, that's it. They don't want to pay up.
Anyways, y'all make sure y'all like this video, make sure y'all comment, make sure y'all subscribe to all 3 channels because we all going up. All three, not one. Oh shoot, my bad.
Wait, he just got off the chopper.
He just got off the chopper, but all 4, and 4 is my favorite number, so that's perfect. So all 4 channels, man. Y'all make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe, tell your mama, your sister, your nephew, your nieces, your uncle, your cousin, everybody you know, man. Run it up. Let's go.
Daily shit, man. Scat. Yeah. Scat. Widebody. Scat. Yo. Widebody. Scat. Yo. Widebody scat gon' push up to your meat.